Okay, today is going to be another interesting video for you, probably if you want to upgrade your sound system. And this is for 676 sound option. So it's not Logic 7, it's a basic amplifier, and we're trying to improve sound system. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace this is original speaker, which is really actually, it's not soft anymore. We're going to replace it with a brand new, also BMW speaker out of 2018, of course. And you can see this is actually Logic 7 speaker, okay, from a very newest one. And this is the part number. And same thing about the tweeter. This is a new one. This is new one, and this is old one. It's a blue one. Usually the ground one, the orange one indicates it's higher level sound system. So this one already installed, okay, and this is a tweeter, and actually it looks a little nicer right here. Why I have this on zip tie? Because it was a little loose here, so I had to use the epoxy compound. You can see it's right there. So I just want to make sure nothing is vibrating. And that's it. We're going to install it back, and it's plug and play. All connectors are original. There's a brand new capacitor here. So we're replacing tweeter and the mid-range. And this is how it looks here. Everything removed properly. Everything is okay. Make sure you don't break any pistons. As you know, like, you have to remove screws from here, like there are 4 screws, and that's it. Other than that, it's just the pistons here and right here. That's about it. This is the restoration process we have on 2009 325i.